to build a consistent hair care in 2024 and beyond. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How to build a consistent hair care in 2024 and beyond. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to build a consistent hair care routine. Whether you are a beginner embarking on your natural hair care routine, or you've been on your natural hair journey for a while and you're still stumbling left, right and center and all over the place and looking at this influencer's routine or that one's routine and trying to follow their routine without actually knowing what you're working with or understanding your own hair. So I've made a few notes here, so I might look down just to remind myself of the main key points. So point number one, which is very important, and some people underestimate this. That's know your hair type. Know your hair type. Your density, whether it's dry, oily, flaky, etc. The same thing as you would with skincare. In order to be able to know what routine to follow, the products to buy, you need to know if you have oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, etc., etc. Sort of similar to your hair care as well, you need to know what your hair type is. Is it very thick? The density? Is it quite fine? Do you have sensitive scalp? Is it flaky? What issues you need to address on your scalp, and what things you need to avoid in your routine so you don't escalate any scalp issues you might have. The second point is your lifestyle, which is very, 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 very important. Obviously, someone that works out every day or at least 3 to 4 times a week, their hair care routine would be different from someone who doesn't really work out, or someone who doesn't have that much time versus someone who has more time to spend on their hair. So all these things really matters. That's why you can't really look at influencer A's routine and try to copy their routine. You can get ideas, but you can't really copy their routine because there are other things going on with them, their scalp, their hair, their physiology that you have no idea about. So yeah. And also your lifestyle will impact your hair care routine, how much time and energy you have to keep it up. Obviously, if you come up with like a 10-step routine, which is just ludicrous, there's no way you will stick to that if you don't have much time. If you're a busy mom or busy person, you're not always on the go, you need a routine that's to the point, consistent, and doesn't take you long. Again, I keep relating it back to skincare. If my skincare routine was too long, I'm not going to do it, and I'm not going to stick to it. I need a quick but effective, So you want a quick but an effective routine, okay? The next point is affordability. We all have different pockets, we all have different budgets, and you don't have to buy the most expensive hair care products for you to have good, healthy hair or a routine that suits you. I think the thing to remember is, just looking at my notes again, the thing to remember is make sure you have a routine with affordable products as per your pocket, what you can afford, and yeah, so make sure your routine, you have a routine with affordable products that you can keep up with, that does not break the bank account, and obviously it does not have nonsense ingredients in it. It's a product that's, you know, effective, and yeah. The next point that I made is chopping and changing. Don't chop and change, don't chop and change. If there's a particular step in your routine that you think, oh, my hair is outgrowing that product, don't then up and change every single product in your routine. Change one at a time. So for example, if it's the shampoo that's no longer working well for you, change that first. Okay, because this will make a huge difference and it won't confuse your hair too much, and it'll make it easier for you to track how your hair is responding to that product. So replace it one or two at a time. For example, when I see new clients, I advise them to change one thing at a time. I speak to them about their budget, what they can afford. It's not about shading or embarrassing them. It's just to make sure that I can advise them on the appropriate products that they can afford and keep up with. And if they need to change their products in their routine, then we do it one at a time, one or two at a time. Okay. So the next point is keep consistency and patience. What do I mean by that? Tweak as you go along and as needed and when needed. Not because your favorite influencer or your favorite natural hair guru introduces something new. So I always say that as the hair grows, it needs changes. So for example, what you might have been using in your teeny weeny afro state is not what you might need when you're at shoulder length or mid-back length. So keep an eye on your routine as your hair grows and its needs. That's why I always advise to keep a hair journal. Try and journal your wash day products you use and how your hair reacted to certain changes, certain routines, certain hairstyles. That way you can tweak as you go. You can adjust things as you go, not all at the same time. Not this week do this and the next week do that. For example, I'll use mine and my girls' styling. Twists are our go-to. Braid and twist, that's our go-to. I know what to expect from it. I can style my hair easily from a twist out, so that's always our go-to. I'm not doing one intricate style this week and then next week do another one. Number one, you'd be messing with breakage. You'd be inviting breakage and tangles to please enter your life unnecessarily. So yeah, don't chop and change. Anyway, another thing you need to do is know and understand your ingredients and how they work. Don't just say, oh, I'm going to start using vegetable glycerin, because do you understand how they work? Do you understand the best time to use it during your routine? Get to know your ingredients. What are the key ingredients you need to look out for? How do they work? Film forming humectants. Do you know how they work? Another one is be savvy with your current living crisis. Know where to splurge and save. For example, if it's a conditioner that you want to use to detangle, obviously don't splurge on that, save on it. Find a cheap conditioner but then that has good slip. Mix it with another oil that has very good slip, for example rapeseed oil from the shop or even sunflower seed oil from the shop. A bit of that with a cheap instant conditioner. Know where to splurge and save. You know that with your deep conditioner, you do need to splurge because that goes beyond the cuticle. It goes deep down in the cuticle to impart moisture and repair. Okay? And also the final point. Where possible, grab a hold of samples and minis. Make use of those because that way you can try the product out, see if your hair likes it before then investing on the full bottle. Okay, I hope you found this video useful.
After all that's said and done, following all these steps and advice I've given you has helped me to really hone in on each of my daughters' love language for their hair, and we've able to continue to grow and retain length. Now the link below will give you access to my product guide which I've put together, which will cover things from choosing pre-poo oil, shampoos, clarifying shampoos, moisturizing shampoos, deep conditioner, everything you need for your wash day to be able to start, putting together the products that you need to kickstart your natural hair journey, or if you're already on your natural hair journey, to help you refine some products that might not be working for you. Now click the link below to purchase my product guide, and do let me know if you have any further questions. If you're not yet subscribed, please do so. And did you find this video useful at all? Do let me know below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Bye.